The Class 20, Britain's first modern mainline diesel locomotive, built from 1957, it outlived almost everything sent to replace it. English Electric built 228 of them over 11 years, most at the Vulcan foundry near Warrington, the rest at Darlington. Under the long bonnet, you'll find one 8-cylinder engine producing 1,000 horsepower. Unlike most British diesel locomotives, the Class 20 only had one cab, and with the bonnet leading, the driver could barely see the line ahead, so most worked nose to nose in pairs, one driver, a cab facing out at each end, the leader running backwards. They spent much of their early life on coal, minerals and engineers' trains, and every summer Saturday, pairs of them took holidaymakers to Skegness. Crews loved them for a simple reason: they were extremely reliable. Enthusiasts loved them for the sound, and affectionately named them choppers. In the 60s, British Railways ordered a replacement, the Class 17 Clayton, one of BR's biggest failures, which featured a centre cab the driver could supposedly see out of. It only managed half the availability of the Class 20. Some were scrapped inside 5 years. BR gave up and bought 100 more Class 20s. Later, they turned up everywhere, laying track through the Channel Tunnel, delivering London's newest underground trains, and hauling nuclear flasks. They stuck to flask duty for 20 years, until locomotives 60 years newer finally took the job. This time, the replacement stuck. 22 are preserved. The very first, D8000, at the National Railway Museum in York. And nearly 70 years on, a handful still working for a living, clearing drains, shifting cement. Still busy, going backwards.